Today we have this Xbox headset. It's for the Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, and Windows 10. This is the 20th anniversary special edition. So the reason I bought this headset is because the other headset I had lasted a long time. It was also Xbox brand. So hopefully this one will last a long time also. Box is pretty banged up. I got it shipped to my house by Best Buy, but they did a horrible job at packing everything. Let's go ahead and break this seal. And once again, all of the Xbox products are packaged really well. They have a very nice presentation. Same thing with the Xbox Series X. Same thing with the Xbox controllers. This thing looks rather short. Not sure what this is about. This one is stationary. I don't know, it might be the volume or something, I don't know. Yeah, the big R for the right. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything else in here. Do have the instructions down here, I believe. And this just seems to be trash. So here are the instructions. Just connect it. We have the mute here for the mic. And yeah, that big knob there is for the volume. So I do like that. It's hard to miss this for the volume, so that's a pretty nice design here. So you're just wearing it. All I have to do is come here and adjust it. That's really nice, actually. Does seem to have some tape on there. Yep. Just roll this thing off. One little hole there. So they look nice. I like them. Let me wear them really quick. So they are pretty comfortable. I just wear them for like a minute. And so far they're comfortable. I don't know on the long run yet. I'm going to test them out and let you guys know. This thing adjusts also, both sides. It's nice and tight. It's not loose or anything. Has a padding here. So far I do like them. So yeah, the cable is it's just about right, just where the controller is. So far, I plugged this in on the Xbox, and they sound pretty well. For $35 plus tax, these are pretty good actually. I recommend it at that price. So these Xbox sound a lot better than the PlayStation 5s. These go for $100. This one is wireless. So on this one, the volume control is a lot better on this one. It's on this side. So it's hard to miss. This is really easy to get to when you're wearing it. All you have to do is turn it. On the PlayStation, these are the volume controls, and it's really hard to find it sometimes, or if you forget, you're not gonna forget about this one. So I have pretty good bass. So if you're gonna get the headset, I would recommend this one better. I don't know on the long run if they're gonna last more, but these so far have been better than these. I plugged these in on the PlayStation 5 and it does work. All I had to do is raise the volume in the PlayStation 5 settings because it was a little bit low. Same thing on the Xbox. You have to raise the volume on the headset in the Xbox settings. Highly recommend these.